Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're talking about an ugly subject, cleaning tips. Cleaning tips after having a wonderful baking experience, maybe with your family, and you've just loved what you've made. You've made this glorious baked good, and now you got a really gooey pot from caramel that you got to clean out, or you have a lot of dough or batter in a bowl, and everything is a mess. What do you do? Well, I have my top cleaning tips that I'm going to share with you right now. So let's say you just made a beautiful caramel sauce, or you made some candy and it started with a sugar syrup in a pot. And that can be pretty nasty looking. You almost feel like throwing out the pot, but don't do it. So what I recommend is filling that pot about halfway with water. And if I have my candy thermometer, you don't want to put the dial under the water, but definitely use the clip-on so that the stem will go right into the water, because usually the bottom of it is where all that caramel congregates and it's hard as a rock. Any fork or spoon that I use, put that right in there. And then fill it, like I said, halfway with water, put it on the stove, high heat until it comes to a boil. Turn off the cooktop, move it off the heat and let it sit. That caramel will just melt off, just like your cares. All right, and actually then you can easily wash the rest off. I promise you. Next problem, gooey dough and batters clinging to the side of your bowl. The best thing you can do is either take a bowl scraper, you know, that's the one that's very malleable, go around the bowl and really get all the dough or batter off that you've missed. Maybe you haven't gotten it all into your pan and you just have a little bit left. Or use a rubber spatula. I do this all the time. Throw out the solid material into the garbage first. That'll make the cleanup so much easier. I guarantee it. And if you're working with something like a vegetable shortening, that has a very high melting point, folks. So you can either get your water in your kitchen tap really super hot, or put on the cold water so that it solidifies, and then do my trick with scraping it off the sides, putting it into the garbage, and it won't clog up your drains, okay? Another tip. My last tip is I hate cleaning whisks. I hate cleaning you. I really do. It is very tedious, and I get very frustrated, and I could be heard saying a few naughty words sometimes. So if it has dough or batter and it's very, very hard to clean up, fill your bowl with soapy hot water and just whisk. And that goo, that dough, that batter will come right off. I guarantee, making cleaning that much easier. So I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you have an easier cleaning job. Till next time.